This traditional Mexican mole features ripe mangoes, which pairs nicely with the spices in the chicken. Begin by seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper. Place the chicken in a large pot or pan and brown the skin until rendered and crisp. Remove from the pan. Fry the pasilla chiles in the fat remaining in the pan until just starting to smoke. Take the softened pasilla chiles and put them in a blender with the raisins, chipotle, and the boiling water. Blend until very smooth. In the pan with the remaining fat, toast the pepitas, sesame seeds, and the spices until fragrant. Add the onion and saute until slightly brown. Add mango and garlic and cook until the mango is softened. Mole comes from a family of sauces from the Oaxaca and Puebla regions of Mexico and are known for their complex, layered flavors. Add the tortilla, pureed chili, and the mango seed you saved, and cook until the sauce is thickened and starts to stick to the pan. Remove the seeds and place the sauce into the blender again and puree until smooth, adding chicken broth as needed to create a smooth puree. Return the puree to the pan and add the chicken and remaining broth if any. Stew the chicken until tender for about 45 minutes. The mole should be thick. You can adjust the flavor with lime juice as needed. Serve the mole over the chicken with warm tortillas and rice and garnish with mangoes and cilantro.